What is something your ex-husband did that backfired on them horribly? I was making less than my ex before we got married. He's a multimillionaire, got several properties and investments. Right before we got engaged, he made sure I would sign a prenuptial agreement. We have been together for 8 years, and he feared that I would come after his money if the marriage didn't work out. I didn't budge about signing that agreement. We got our lawyers, and I felt the pressure from his lawyer to make sure it is a solid prenuptial, and in case of divorce, I get nothing. I was doing okay financially, and I never worry if things go south. A few years later, he preferred to be with younger women, and I caught him cheating with multiple college girls over the course of our marriage, and even before we got married. He was 45 at that time. Just 3 years into marriage, he demanded a divorce. I removed myself from the house because I would wake up to drunk women on our couch. It's a long story, but before signing the divorce papers and before I left the house, I found he had a few more bank accounts overseas before marriage and didn't disclose his debt and liabilities in our prenuptial agreement. The judge ruled out our prenuptial being invalid. We got divorced and I was automatically granted half of his money and property.